don't know if anyone else felt like this, but when I was younger, I used to hate going to places by myself. I used to hate eating by myself. I used to thought that was so lonely. But now I love it. And I feel like everyone should try it at least once. I don't know if this is a weird topic to talk about or if I'm the only one in the same predicament, but I'm going to do the video anyway. So today I am eating at a sushi bar, and I'm just going to give you some tips on how to build your confidence if you are in the same situation as me or have been. So for this sake, I am at the bar. Usually I will sit, you see the tables behind me, I will sit at one of them tables. I like to be tucked away too sometimes. It depends on how the flow and the vibe is at wherever, restaurant, bar, lounge, wherever you're at. It depends on the vibe, and that's how I go by. If I was going to sit at the round tables behind me and I didn't have a book to read or anything to keep my eyes like not focus on the two plates, I would have them keep both of the plates on the table. Because you know, when you usually sit down at a table, they will take the plates and the silverware that is not going to be used. They take it away if you're by yourself. If I didn't have anything else to do, I would have them keep both of them on the table. It's kind of hard to explain. I hope I explained it well. But if he did end up taking both of the plates, it would make you feel more lonely. You know what I mean? So it's good to just keep both of them. But I was on live, so if you are on social media, you like going on live, I suggest go on live while you eat if you're comfortable. If not, do it like a FaceTime with someone where you can build your confidence up. Because like I said, it seems easy to do, to be by yourself at a restaurant, but it's not. You know what I mean? Like, you have to learn from practice and all that and build up to it. That's it on my tips on how to eat alone. I know it was short, but I don't play any games when I do some of my tutorials. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.